Hey, what's cooking, good looking? Welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Duke, hosted by y'all truly, T-Bone Mama Duke, aka The Duke. Well, today's the first time I'm doing a pulled lamb ever on the Traeger Ironwood. We're 5 hours down in our little cook, our smoky Traeger pulled lamb. Oh, I can't wait. Let's have a look. See where we're at. Oh man, that smells incredible. Look at that. Okay, but hold on. Let's back her up. Start from the beginning. Let's do this. Okay, so we traveled a little bit back in time, about 6 hours or so. We're gonna rub up our leg of lamb with this beautiful hot honey. This is gonna act as a binder, and as well as the sugars in this honey is gonna help us to create a little bit of that beautiful bark that we're aiming for. Oh yeah, slather it on, baby. Get it all over. Now we're gonna add a little simple homemade SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, and we're just gonna add a little bit of flavor on top of that lamb. Honey, hot honey stickiness. Oh man. Oh, we're on to good things here already. Look at that. Oh man, it makes me want to sing. And speaking of singing, we got this Simon and Garfunkel rub from Smoking Flame UK, a beautiful blend of rosemary, parsley, sage, and thyme. You know the food's good when it's gonna make you sing. It comes packaged already singing to you. Oh man, okay, that's looking good. Okay, we're gonna let that rest and we're gonna fire up the Traeger. Shazam! We're gonna be running at about 110 degrees Celsius today. I think that's about 240 for your Fahrenheit fans out there. We're ignited, let's go! Barbecue at the touch of a button. We really are living in the future. Today we're using the competition blend by Traeger, the pellets that we're gonna just fill up the hopper. Today's the first time I'm using this, so I'm looking forward to it. And speaking of looking forward, we are at temperature, and we're gonna throw down our lamb. We can start by adding inserting the meter probe. Here we go. We have liftoff, people. I almost forgot. Hey, Bobby. Yeah. What do you call a line of hungry dudes waiting to get a haircut? Yeah. Barbecue! Okay, our lamb has been, whoa! Okay, now look at that beautiful color. Our lamb's been running at 110, and we're hitting about 65 degrees in terrace, so we're gonna pull her off. We're gonna now just take it for, oh, look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna let her have a little bath, remove the probe, because we're going to cover up and fall. We won't get her reading through there. We're just going to throw down a little bit of garlic. Whoa, get that little guy in a minute. All right, there we go, garlic bulb. We're going to add a little bit of hot water, nothing else to it. Just want to keep that flavor of the lamb. Just going to cover her up. So this is going to hopefully bring her up to about 95 degrees and hopefully tender and juicy. Insert the probe. So we can get our reading of about 95 degrees and cover up. See you in a bit. Rain, go away. Whoa, we're hit temperature. Okay, let's see. This is the moment we've been waiting for. What's that? Get the gloves on. Let's have a little look. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, for video purposes, I'm gonna just remove this and put her on the board straight up so we can have a proper look. That color, that bark. Oh man, it smells incredible. Remove the probe. And it's just smash time. Oh, that is like butter. That is so soft. Clean bones, baby. Oh man, this is so hot. It's hot. Oh, hot to touch, baby. Oh, hot to touch. Just like yours truly. All right. Oh man, look at that. Clean bones. Oh, she's lip smacking Shazam. Beautiful, look at that. Got a bit of smoke on there. Beautiful pinkness on this lamb. Oh man, that's beauty. Beautiful, beautiful indeed. That bark, Oh man. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw this back in our little package, and I'm gonna I can't even pull it, so hot, but I can't stop. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have to reach for the forks in a minute, because look at that beautiful, beautiful bark. Delicious. I wish you could smell it. It's falling apart. It's like butter in my hands. Oh man, but it is real hot to touch. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, man. It's real hot to touch. I'm gonna have to reach for the forks. I do apologize. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Jew braised back, just to add a little bit because it's oxidized, but we are ready to serve up, with some flatbreads, guacamole, a little baba ganoush. Oh, look at that. Well, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.